Keep clicking them.
Keep clicking them, Nikki. Harvest your tomatoes.
There's you.
Harvest your tomatoes. Oh, she's visiting other people's farms. Are you playing your farm? It's yours? Are you playing it by yourself? Okay, do you know what you're doing? What are you doing?
I don't think I can use that. I'm not a feathery type person.
No, that's Jacqueline's farm. Yeah, you have your own farm.
That's for sure.
Help your neighbor. Or click on you and you can go back home. Click on it. Go to your picture and click. Big girl. You're going to go home. See, now you're on your farm.
Click your tomatoes.
Click on your tomatoes to harvest them. Not your chicken, your tomatoes. Right there. Click on your tomatoes. Good job. Keep clicking your tomatoes.
Go away.
Harvest your tree. Look at you go.
Yay!
You sure are doing good. I can't believe she's playing by herself. Look at you, big girl.